All right, so in this video, I'm just going to talk about Uponor PECs, the minimum distance you have to have between fittings and why. All right, hey, welcome to Plumbing Gurus. My name is Carson. On this channel, we strive to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices. When you're expanding the fitting and it's too close and you don't have a long enough piece of pipe in there, it can actually break the fitting. And I'm gonna show you this in a second about how it actually happens. We're gonna also show you on this sweet little book here, it says right in this PECs Piping Systems Design and Installation Manual for Uponor, on the minimum distances that you're gonna have for a piece of pipe for each size of pipe. So we're gonna go to page 7 on this sweet little manual here. And for a half-inch piece of pipe, you need a 2-inch piece of, half-inch pipe, you need 2-inch in between each fitting minimum so that you can not break that fitting. 3/4, 3-inch, 1 inch is 3.5, 1 1/4 is 4.5, and it goes up and up. You're gonna wanna make sure you look at this before you start just cutting your minimum lengths like we did. We went backwards the wrong way, we broke a fitting, and we found out the hard way. And then we found out there's a whole chart here that tells you need to do a minimum distance. So we're just here out at Points West Marketing in Calgary. We got our certification today for Uponor, and they had this to show us. This is actually a big, well, probably 1.5 inch brass fitting inside of the Uponor pipe, and you can see in here how it actually broke the fitting. The brass, when they expanded this, because these pieces of pipe were too close together, it actually broke the brass inside here, which is wild. And that's it for today. It was just a quick video. We're just telling you to be careful when you're crimping if you're doing tees. The nice thing is actually they have these multi-port tees that you can use. Instead of putting a bunch of tees together, you can use these sweet little multi-ports. It saves on fittings and actually saves on space. So now you got these close space tees. These are actually pretty handy to have in tight areas. All right, that's it for this video. So yeah, just don't forget to make sure you get that minimum size pipe in between each fitting. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.